Hi viewers. So before watching this video, please subscribe it. Don't forget. So let me enter into the topic. Today's topic is Heisenberg's uncertainty principle. Right? So what he explained, Heisenberg, what he explained about the uncertainty principle. Right? Not exactly. Uncertainty means not exactly. Okay, so there is a first there, let me explain about the statement first. So there are the two statements. So in the examination, as you wish, you can write either first statement or second statement. Both statements are correct. Okay friends, let me explain. The product of uncertainty in determining the position and momentum of the particle can never be smaller than the order of h by 4 pi. See here, the product of uncertainty in position and momentum, they never be less than h by 4 pi. That is the meaning of this. It means their product is always greater than, right? Their product is always greater than. The next point is, next definition, or it is impossible to measure both the position and momentum of a particle simultaneously to any desired degree of accuracy. What is it? It is impossible means not possible to measure position and momentum simultaneously, means at a time, right? So if you have to measure the position, then you cannot measure the momentum. If you have to measure the momentum, then you cannot measure the position. So both things cannot be happen at a time. That is the meaning of this, or at a place, or to a system. Okay, accurately we cannot get. The next point, according to definition. So what he explained is the definition: delta x into delta p greater than or equal to h by 4 pi. See, always their product is greater. Here also it is energy and time. This is also, in terms of energy and time, it is also always greater. And it is angular momentum and angular displacement. Angular momentum and angular displacement, their product is also always greater than h by 4 pi. Okay, next, according to Born's probability, the particle may be found anywhere within the wave packet, right? Suppose it is a one wave packet containing waves of different amplitudes, different wavelengths, different phase, and different frequencies. Okay, so particle may be anywhere within the wave packet, means it may present here or here or here or here, anywhere in the wave packets. That is the meaning of this. The next point is, when the wave packet is when the wave packet is small, okay, when its size is small, then the position of the particle may be fixed, but particle will spread rapidly and hence velocity become indeterminate. See here, when the wave packet is small, when this wave packet is small, okay, very small, containing different wavelengths, right? Very small, the position of the particle may be fixed. So it may be here or it may be here inside. Okay, but the particle will spread rapidly. So but the particle inside the small wave packet, what happens, rapidly spread, means rapidly it moves anywhere. Okay, and hence its velocity become indeterminate, mean we cannot find its velocity, that much of velocity it may contain. Okay, so when the velocity is high, the momentum is impossible. Okay, that is the meaning of this. The next slide. When the wave packet is large, Now see, it is a small and is large. When the wave packet is large, the velocity can be fixed, right? Velocity can be fixed, but there is a large indefinite in position. So when the wave packet is very much large, then the position of the particle indeterminate, means we cannot find. So its position may be here, it may be here, it's may anywhere we may say, right? So anywhere present its position. So it is not possible to find its position, but its velocity is small. When the velocity is small, it is possible to determine the momentum. Next point. In this way, certainty of momentum involves uncertainty in momentum. Okay. So if we are going to calculate exact moment, then it is not exactly, or because of that is velocity only. Okay. And certainty of position involves uncertainty in position. Right? We are going to calculate exact position, so you cannot find exact position. That is the meaning of this. And next, this shows that it is impossible to know where within the wave pocket particle is and what is its exact moment. Its momentum we cannot find. So in this wave pocket, particle is where here or here or here, where it is and how much its exact momentum, how much. So that is not possible to find. The next, hence we can measure either position or momentum of a particle with any desired degree of accuracy. So that is why if you want to calculate the position, we can calculate without knowing the momentum, or if you want to know the momentum, we cannot calculate its position. So you can calculate any one only with a desired, with a somewhat accurate value. Next, considering a pair of physical variable as position and momentum. So this is the relation between position and momentum. Energy and time. This is the relation between energy and time. So its meaning is what, so how we explain a position and momentum in the same manner. If you want to calculate energy, it is not possible to calculate the time. If you want to calculate the time, it's not possible to calculate the energy. That is the meaning of this. In the same manner, angular displacement and angular momentum is also same thing. So friends, this is a Heisenberg uncertainty principle.